No, that might be personality.
Hey, it's JunkJournalingJenn, and this is a last-minute, unexpected video. I actually just got a message on Instagram, and we've been going back and forth this last 2 days, and the gal lives here, and she wanted a junk journal for her friend, and she only wanted black and red. So, and I know she wanted really grungy paper, so this is what I did. These are tags that I made. This was part of the example I had sent to her. This actually goes with it. And I thought I'd just bring you guys along because she wants the darkest paper, and I already have these pre-made. So I do a lot of things for beginner junk journalers. Oh yes, this one's really grungy. And it has the turmeric paper in it too. But I did show her with the yeah, so this is the one that I took photographs and sent to her. So I thought I would just bring you guys along and show you how I'm going to package this for her. I have no idea. I just want it to look super cute. So I figured we'll do this. I know she really only wanted black and red. I just thought a couple of these though, because you just never know. About just to have some fun. Some extra things in there. A little card, some tissue. So in this envelope, I thought I'd put some tissue, right? These little cards here for like a little ephemera, little joy in here, okay? And then I thought we would put that there. Oh, let's do this here. Let me fold this just a little different. I'll be meeting her in just a few minutes, so. Oh, guys. Don't we just fiddle and fuss with things, right? Then I'll go like that. Okay, and then I had extra tags in here that are red. So I figured I'd just put a couple in here for her. I don't think I have any grungy ones in here. Nope. No grungy ones in there. Okay, and then real quick, these are all tags, so, all right. So here goes some red tags there. And hold on one second, I'm gonna grab some pockets. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so let's see if any of these work, okay? So let's go with this one. Oh, that works. Do that. And I figured we'll do bigger card, littler cards. Yeah, how about that? Right? We'll just do this one way bigger. This works. Yay. And this one, I'm actually gonna trim that off. I wish it fit in this little, because this has the writing on it. Nope, it won't fit. There we go. Yay. So, got some yumminess in here. That's fun. We'll put that in there. Right? Yay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna throw that extra. It's always nice to have an extra tag in there, right? So we'll, now remember, this is for beginners so that they can do it themselves, right? So, let's see, that's just enough lace for her. Give that to her. And then we're gonna do 1 and 2. Little zigzag there. And then these 2. So, boom, boom, boom. And we're gonna put that all in this little envelope. Yay. All the goodies are down in there, friends. So, envelope. I'm gonna do the original tie around. This is the original. It's very fragile. Okay, and then I'm gonna just add this one because it's red, right? And you know what I'm gonna do? Special, just because it's Christmas Eve and I love that this is really my first Christmas journal going out. I have 1 chandelier left. So how special is that gonna be for her friend? So, blessings to the friend. Maybe you'll see this on YouTube, the making of your journal. Yay. There you go, guys. So that's what I did. Real quick, fast. Cute, huh? And we're meeting right down the street at a coffee shop. Fun. And there it is. That's when I made it. So, yay. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Take care. Bye. Merry Christmas. I saw my first Christmas journal. I know I get excited, but hey, you gotta celebrate when you can, okay? Bye, guys. Okay, I'm back. So I just went and met up with a lady for the journal, and it ends up, it's a returning customer. So it was a returning customer from a show. I actually met her at a show here. It was the fall market that we did. So it just goes to prove returning customers, local shows are good. And she's going to be ordering a book for her husband, an artist book. So yay. Just wanted to give you guys the final update on that little journal that just went out for Christmas Eve. So I am smiling, smiling, smiling. That was my first journal being sold through Instagram. She was looking and looking for, she said almost for 2 weeks, like a week and a half, trying to find me everywhere on social media and everything. And then out of nowhere, her husband found, I put the information on the back. So just a quick logo, because you can find my business name anywhere, and then JunkJournalingJenn. So my Instagram. So that's how she found me. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Nice to see you. Have a Merry Christmas. I will see you in the next one. Bye.